Faucet water filter replacements. Enjoy filtered water by replacing your PUR Plus faucet water filtration system. Filters over natural minerals for great taste. Fits in all PUR faucet water filtration systems. Model number RF9999. Packaging may vary. Reduces 70 contaminants. PUR Plus faucet mount water filters are certified to reduce lead and other contaminants that could be in your water. PUR Plus faucet filters are certified to reduce 10x more contaminants than Brita's leading pitcher filter. Easy to install. Twist back cover off your PUR faucet water filtration system. Insert new filter and replace the back cover. One PUR faucet filter replacement provides up to 100 gallons of cleaner drinking water, or lasts up to 3 months. Compatible does not mean comparable. Be cautious of off-brand filters. They are not tested or certified to filter the same as PUR filters. PUR filters are the only filters certified to reduce contaminants when used with PUR systems. Number 1 selling brand in faucet filtration. Contaminants can enter your water system daily, so filtering your water is important. PUR has been developing innovative technologies for superior water filtration for over 30 years. Top reviews from the United States. It will do. These are getting so expensive, but I need them, and can't afford a Berkey yet, so PUR is my go-to. Be that as it may, in the winter, I have muddy water, and these are no miracle. Even in the clear water summer, though, I was getting maybe 15 to 30 gallons before the filter housing light would flash red. After several years of tossing out barely used PUR filters, I figured out that if I pull the filter housing while it is still wet, and shake it while upside down, and reinstall it, the light on the housing will turn green again, for at least another 15 to 30 gallons. Apparently, I occasionally get a little sand from the well, which tends to clog it a bit, so I dislodge the clog, and it's working again. For a while. Because of the cost, I have decided that so long as water is going through the filter at a reasonable rate after I shake it, I will not toss it. When it takes 20 to 30 minutes to filter a gallon, I change it. Too expensive to do otherwise now.